The local community calendar is brought to you by Bank of Hawaii.
The second annual Mango Festival will officially take root tomorrow, Friday, June 6th at 5 p.m. with the coronation and crowning of Little Miss Mango. The event takes place at Nimitz Beach in Agate. Then on Saturday and Sunday, be sure to take in all of the fun and exciting activities, including canoe races and contests, art exhibits and concessions, entertainment and raffle drawings. You'll enjoy everything mango, learn about this important fruit, and a variety of ways that you can enjoy it. For information, please contact the Agate Mayor's Office at 565-4335. The AGA's 7th annual 5K Run, Walk, and Wheel, Building Better Communities, is scheduled for June 7th at the Chamorro Village in Hagåtña. The race starts at 6 a.m. Registrations are available at the Hornet Sporting Goods. Pre-race fee is $6 a person and $20 for a group of 4. Contact Jojo Guevara at 477-5931, extension 323 for more information. The proceeds will go to the Autism Community Together and Foster Families Association. Raffle prizes and free t-shirts are available for the first 750 finishers.
And that was your local community calendar, brought to you by Bank of Hawaii.